The Applied Materials 0190-02820 REV 001 XP FSE 02-010460001 is a custom multiple output power supply system for an Applied Materials Mirra tool. This power supply came to us dead, which is normal for most power supplies we service. We performed a complete rebuild on all the power supplies, and as shown in the video, we attached a load to all three primary output voltages and tested them for proper operation. At ERD, we excel in Semiconductor Tool repair and have covered a vast array of AMAT tool pieces and parts, not just for the CMP Mirra, but for all primary systems AMAT produces. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.